Dean's Electronics is a pre-war repair manual once used by engineers and technicians to maintain complex systems and machines. The book covers topics such as mechanical upkeep, circuit repair, and basic robotics maintenance. Invaluable knowledge for anyone trying to survive and rebuild in the post-nuclear wasteland. Reading this book permanently increases the player character's repair skill by 3 points, or 4 with the comprehension perk, allowing more effective use and maintenance of weapons, armor, and terminals. A copy can be found in the Puesta del Sol switching station, Dead Money, on the upper level next to the terminal that disables power to the protected speakers. It's located in the south-central section of the map, and while it's possible to reach without Christine's assistance, doing so is extremely risky due to nearby traps and the collar's detonation range.